Hello guys, welcome back to Good Trial Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about Call of Duty Warzone lost connection to host or server, connection timed out, and how to fix this issue. Right? So this been happening for a couple of days and we have already done a video but it doesn't work, so we just wanted to show you how to fix this with some new updated methods, right? So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is when you're having this problem, what you have to do is you have to reboot the system and the game, right? So make sure to restart your game from the launcher at first, and if nothing fixed you can also try rebooting the Windows PC as well as. So what we ask you is to go for a reboot. I mean, you can go for a restart once if it's not working, so you don't have to get panicked. What you have to do is just go for a restart, right? Then and you just have to open the game once again. Right, as you can see it is over here. You can try the game once again, so this can most probably fix the issue up, right? So that is the first thing what we have to do. So next one is check internet connection and the speed. It is very important that you are having a good internet connection, because whether you are using a wide internet connection or wireless network, ensure that the internet data balance is enough and the download or upload speed is consistent or stable. Because for the Wi-Fi routers you can try resetting the Wi-Fi connection from the router login page and try again. So as you can see that I'm connected to the Wi-Fi, so make sure everything is okay here, so that there is no issues between this. If so, then this problem can come in between, right? So next one is, apart from this, it's all about disable any VPN or proxy servers if you're using. Or because sometimes players try to enable VPN, which is known as virtual private network, or proxy servers to change the region location for better playing responses, right? So simply remove the VPN proxy servers from the device and reboot the system again to check whether the issue has been fixed or not. Because I just want to make you notice that even I used to use the same. I used to go for Proton VPN most of the time. And I just wanted to make you notice that if you're using this, then you can definitely disable this and you can try without this and whether it's going to work good enough or not, right? So next one, apart from this, what I request is, it's all about it's just about update system. If the updates is available. So if a Windows updates is available, you can just go for here and you can try yourself and check for the updates, because as you can see that mine is up to date. So check for updates, because I don't have an update, because I will try a couple of times. And this is what you have to try, right? If you have to go for the Windows update, you just have to check whether it's there or not. If not, you just have to cancel this and just have to come here. Then you have to go for manage option, then you have to just go for graphics card updates. If you have, you can go for device manager. From here you can go for graphics driver updates, or not, then you can go for, so here I'm gonna show mine. I'm using this one, that is AMD Radeon. So as you can see that, so I have to go for the updates if it's available. So the updates in drivers as well as the OS can fix the issue in most probably. So I just wanted to make you notice that these are the 4 steps which you have to try when you're having the connection to host or server timed out errors in Call of Duty Warzone, and these all can fix the issue up, right? So that's all about it. Then don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for the notification. This is Shaheen signing off from Good Trial Tips. Any kind of suggestions are most welcome, so that we can improve ourselves, and we just want to know whether it worked for you or not, so we can improve. Come back with another method that's going to help you out. So these are the methods which took from after a consecutive searching through Reddit and talking with many users. I mean, to all the people, we just asked them and they suggested these are the methods which work for you. Just try this out, and if it's not, just do let us know in the comment section. That's it. So don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for the notification. This is Shaheen signing off on Good Trial Tips. See you soon. Peace out.